MIC Optoelectronic Company Limited specializes in R&D, manufacturing and marketing in the field of LED lighting products. We independently design and manufacture LED products ranging from LED floodlight, LED street light, LED tunnel light, LED corn light, UFO LED high bay, LED panel light. All our products are certified with ETL, DLC, FCC, CE, RoHS, which qualify us to be one of the leading manufacturers, suppliers, and exporters of LED lighting and solar lights in China, as well as the one of leading provider in energy-saving solutions. Since the establishment of our own brand, MIC LED, with strong R&D capacity, professional technical team, and rich experience in the industry, we launch new products beyond the customer's expectation every year, which always lead the industry trend. With dominant market share in China, our marketing network has been expanded to over 150 countries and regions, including America, Europe, Oceania, Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Japan. Due to our distinctive competence and numbers of successful lighting projects worldwide, we have been gaining a praiseworthy reputation and have been widely recognized by customers domestically and globally. Welcome to visit us in Shenzhen, China.